Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY oil that can help with your hair growth. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm just beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an everything that we play.
So before we get started, this video is kind of like a part 2 to my aloe vera and cloves leave-in spray. So this is going to be an aloe vera and cloves hair oil. So I'm basically going to be using a teaspoon of cloves like I did in the previous video, and then I'm going to be using the aloe vera that I used in the previous video. So for this DIY, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of cloves. Cloves help to promote hair growth when applied to the roots. It can help repair, strengthen, and add shine to the hair shaft. Also, it helps to improve blood circulation to the scalp and promote strong hair growth. So in the previous video, I used 2 whole aloe vera leaves, and I just scraped the inside of the aloe vera to make the aloe vera gel. So now I'm just going to be using the outer layer of the aloe vera to make my hair oil. When it comes to aloe vera, it contains enzymes which helps to repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. So now I'm going to take all my ingredients and place them into a mason jar, and I'm also going to add 1 cup of coconut oil into the mason jar as well. You can use any carrier oil that you would like. So now I'm just going to take the mason jar and place it into a pot of hot water. I have my stove set in between medium to low heat. I'm going to let this sit in the pot for about an hour. If you choose not to do this method, you can also use a crock pot, or if you don't want to use heat at all, you can place the mason jar into a cabinet or 2 to 3 days. After an hour, I removed the mason jar from the pot and I allowed the oil to cool down. With this oil, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, a scalp oil, and you can also add a few tablespoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner. As a scalp oil, you can use this oil daily or at least 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure you apply it to your roots and massage it into your scalp. Also, you can add your favorite essential oils to the oil as well. A hot oil treatment, apply it from root to ends, let it sit for about 30 minutes and then wash out with your favorite shampoo. Also, you can use this oil as an overnight treatment. When it comes to the shelf life of this oil, it will last about 1 week without being refrigerated. If you want it to last longer than that, then you could place it into the refrigerator and it will last about 2 to 4 weeks. Also, if you want, you can add a preservative to this oil. I always leave one linked in the description box.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep, 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 deep,
The ingredients featured in this video can be found in my hair care products. The name of the ingredient and the name of the product that contains that ingredient can be found on the screen. Head over to my website, CoyaleLily.com, for more details. The link is always in the description box. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.